What's up, y'all? It's your Kaylalebomb, and I am back with day 11, y'all. I know I missed a couple of days of Vlogmas. Please don't kill me. Please don't come at my neck. I already know. But y'all, I got my nails done yesterday. My camera was acting so stupid yesterday. I couldn't even vlog yesterday. My camera just had a whole lot of weird stuff going on with the screen. It was blurry, wasn't unblurrying. I'm still learning how to work this camera like 8 months later, I know. But let me show y'all my nails. Look at them, y'all. Look how cute. Look at the details. This is sweater nail. Never had that before. This is a Grinch middle finger. Ho ho ho. Present. Lights. Real cute. Real cute. Look at this, y'all. We got the Grinch over here. Lights, bow. Same concept. But yeah. It's giving real Christmassy vibes. Today on the agenda, we have to do my eyebrows today. Because my eyebrows is looking crazy for a minute. So I'm going to do my eyebrows today. Hopefully I find somebody because I haven't found nobody in a minute. The lady who do my nails and my eyebrows, I don't know where she's at. But now today I'm going to be finding somebody else. Hopefully she body my shits. I'm praying because I don't want to have to cuss nobody out. And second on the agenda is Walmart. Do a little food shopping. I'm going to take y'all with me, of course. And yeah, I think that's it for today. And then I'm going to just see what I end up doing after that. So I'm going to see y'all in a little bit. After I get dressed and whatnot, I'll be back with Cam. And yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, so we are at Walmart. Look at Prince, y'all. He's so cute. I got my eyebrows done. I didn't even show y'all. Can y'all see for real? I got my eyebrows done. They look crazy though. I got wax right here. But yeah, y'all. So let me show y'all. Look at his carriage. How cute is his carriage?
You know how to like put the thing like.
So you been put him in the car?
Smell like a bacon, egg, and cheese, bro. No, you don't need to control that. Push it.
Come here.
Smell like a bacon, egg, and cheese, bro. Come on, buddy. Yeah.
My camera is dying, so we have to hurry up. Why y'all dying on me? Why y'all dying? So I'm about to get back to y'all when we get inside Walmart because my camera's dying, which I didn't know. I need to have like backup batteries, so I'm gonna see if they have them here.
Go inside. Thank you.
But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see if they have backup batteries. I left my list at home, so I'm gonna try to like do it off the dome. But yeah, it's kind of dark too, light in his ass. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get it. Got Eggos. We got Eggos. What is this for? Hot chocolate, marshmallows, and Lysol wipes so far. Now we get the milk section. Okay, so we got the milk. Okay, y'all, so we got the mess. Yes, we got everything. I got down there for Prince because he likes to not eat his food. And yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta
Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it together. 'Cause I really want to know. Can't wait to get it toget my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hey guys, it's about the next day. I'm just adding on to this video here because I want to let you guys know, if you guys want to shout out at the end of my videos, all you have to do is comment red and white hearts in the comment section below. Not on Instagram anymore. I'm going to be changing it up. If you're watching this, if you want to shout out, comment red and white hearts in the comment section below, or you could comment fire emojis. And yeah, make sure you guys participate.